Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorial. Today our topic is Java for loop. So there are two types of for loop. One is simple for loop and another is for each. So in case of simple for loop, we have syntax like we have keyword for after the parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we have initialization, condition and increment and decrement. There are three parts of the simple for loop. One is initialization, condition, increment and decrement. So why we use loops? So loops are used to execute some particular line of code again and again up to a particular conditions. So with the help of this for loops we can execute some line of codes again and again, and they are also useful in order to assign the values to the arrays, or in order to traverse through the array and find out the values. So in case of simple for loop, we have initialization, condition and increment and decrement. And now we have for each, in which we have type, variable and array. We can pass a array to the for each. So it's mainly used to iterate through the arrays or collections. We use the for each. Let's see these both loop with the help of a simple example. Right click, class, for loop example. So we have this class. Now what we will do, we will, with the help of this for loop, we will we will write the numbers from 1 to 10 on the console. It's very simple. So what we'll do, for, we have syntax like this, and inside this first we will initialize int I is equal to 1. Then we have condition I is less than equal to 100. Then we have I plus plus, and here what we'll do, system dot out dot println, and we will pass I here, or 1 to 10 suppose. So let's run this program. What will happen? As you can see that 1 to 10. So we are able to print from 1 to 10 with the help of this for loop. For, so this is the part of initialization, this is the condition, and this is increment or decrement. Here suppose we want to reverse from 10 to 1, so we can I is equal to 10, I is greater than equal to 1, and I minus minus. So let's run this program again. As you can see that I have reversed the numbers. So let's, with the help of for each, let's print a number 1 to 10, or let's iterate through the array. Suppose we have a integer array a, and I have number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how to display those number on the console with the help of for each? So what is the syntax? For, here I have to give first that int I colon, and here I have to pass the array a. Now system dot out dot println I, it will pass each number with I and display those in terms. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have these loops, for loop and for each. In for each we can pass an array or an collection, and the type of collection we have, we can pass it left side, then column and collection or array. Then we can get the values in the left hand side. This is I. So Now what we will do, we will we will cover the topic nested loops. Suppose we want to print a triangle of the stars. We want to print a pattern or pattern of a square of stars. So how we will do that? With the help of nested for loop. So in nested for loop, what we will do, for I int I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. Then we have for j is equal to 0, int j is equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. So, and here sysout system dot out dot print ln, and here what we can pass a star. If we run this program, it will print the star for 3 into 3 9 times to the in a single line. But if you remove this ln from the print ln, then it will print those on the horizontal line, right? Now if we put system dot out dot print ln, so it will, this statement will uh, this will print the another star on the next line, or if it is used for the next line. Suppose if you want to make it a square, then 4 is to 4, or 3 is to 3. As you can see that it is a square of 3 star and 3 column 3 rows. As you can see from here that outer loop we have again inner loop, then we are printing the stars, then this is for the new line. Here first it will check, if first it will initialize the value of I is equal to 0, then it will check if 0 is less than 3, that is true. If that is true, come inside. Here it will initialize the value of j is equal to 0. If j is less than 3, 0 is less than 3, this is true, so it will print the star. Again this loop will repeat, and value of j is equal to 1, 1 is less than 3, then star will print. Again the value of j become 2, 2 is less than 3, again it will print the star. Then again when it goes, when value of j become 3, 3 is less than 3, this is false, so it will come out of this for loop and it will execute this statement. This will be used for the new line. Again it will goes back, and value of I become, earlier it was 0, now it become 1, and it will come inside for j. The value of j is equal to 0, it will again initialize the value and print the star for 3 times and come out and new line. Then value of I become 2, again star for 3 times, then it become 3, and 3 is not less than 3, so it will terminate. In this way it will print this star. And suppose this is 10, this is 10. So as you can see that these are my pattern, this is my pattern. So if we want to change the pattern, j is equal to 0, j is less than I. Let's see the output. So this is the, it will display this triangle, because value of initially value of I is 0, 0 is less than 10, come inside. Here j is equal to 0, j is equal to 0. 0 is less than 0, less than equal to less than equal to. So you can see that 0 is less than equal to 0. This is true, so it will print the star. When j becomes 1, 1 is not less than equal to 0, so it will come out and next line. Now the value of I become 1, and 1 is less than 10, so it will come inside for loop. So inside this j is equal to 0, 0 is less than 1. This is true, so it will print the star. Again, when value become 1, 1 is less than equal to 1. Value of I is 1, so it will print the star again. And when it becomes 2, 2 is not 2 is less than equal to 1. This is false, so it will come out and next line. Again, it will repeat the same sequence.